All right, here's our XD9, and we're just going to talk a little bit about firearm safety here. As you can see, here's my magazine, no rounds, and you can look here across the table, and I'm not working around any ammunition, and I don't want to work around any ammunition. So first things first, we're going to take the firearm, and we always want to remember that we want to point the firearm in a safe direction. Now, I know the firearm's empty here. I have the slide open, but we're going to do some physical checks. I'm going to show you how to do some physical checks here to really let you know that the firearm is actually empty. We're first going to physically look, and I can look actually all the way down through the magazine well, and what I'm looking for in there is just to see if maybe there's a caught round or any kind of obstruction that's going to not let the firearm work in a proper manner. Then I'm going to look inside here in the front action where the beginning of the barrel is here, and I'm just going to put my index finger in there, and I'm going to physically feel in there for a round. And I can't feel anything. I can feel the front ramp, and I'm just going to kind of stick it down inside the magazine well, and I'm going to physically just do the same thing with my index finger in the bottom of the magazine well, and there's nothing. And I'm just going to take my magazine, and I'm going to make sure that there's no rounds in it. Okay. All right. So we're about to get started here. We're going to get started on doing our first step in taking down this XD9.